So a while back, we installed brand new backup light assemblies on Project Betty, our 65 Mustang Coupe. And at the time, a lot of you asked, why are you not using LEDs? Well, we wanted to show what the originals installed like and what they look like. But our plan with this car has always been to upgrade to LEDs, and we're gonna do that today. Now our LED backup light kit is gonna come with everything but the housing. So when you open it up, you're gonna get new seals, new lenses, new hardware, but most importantly, you're gonna get the LED assemblies. Now in the case of ours, like I said, we just put brand new housings on. So our lenses, gaskets, and everything are brand new. So we're just gonna use these for the installation. The light assemblies are very cool. So again, it's a direct replacement for the factory bulb. This will plug into the bulb socket, and you can see on the other side an array of LEDs that'll be nice and bright. So to begin the installation, first thing we're gonna do is remove the lens by removing both of the screws. We can remove our factory bulb, push in, turn counterclockwise, and the spring will pop it right out. Now the LED is going to install just like the factory bulb. Push it in and turn. A little trick here, if you can't reach your fingers in, just get a 1/4 inch, push, turn to lock it in place. Basically what you want to do is kind of just twist the wires and hide them in here. Push it into place. And then we reinstall the lens. Let's get these snug. You don't have to crank them too tight. And repeat the process on the other side. There you can see the comparison between the stock one on the driver's side and LED on the passenger. Obviously, there is no comparison. I'm not even sure how well the camera will pick this up, but the passenger side LED is way brighter, looks way better than the factory setup. Between our LED taillights and our LED backup lights now, we have the back of Project Betty looking a lot better and a lot more modern. This installation is very straightforward, half an hour or so, be back on the road in no time.